Alright, welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this one, we're downloading one of my favorite apps. This is the download application, and all you need to do is to sit back, watch the tutorial, follow exactly what I do, watch right up to the end, and you're going to find the download application installed on your Fire TV. So let's get to it straight away. We're going to go to the search bar just by clicking down on the Find tab, and you're going to tap on it with the OK button to find this keyboard. On the keyboard, you're going to search for downloader. So as you search, look on the bottom suggestions and you see the downloader app right there. That was quick. Now you have this app with the orange background, white text. That is a downloader app. Very good app. My favorite app of all time on Android TV, smart TVs, Fire Sticks, everything. So click on this app and you have it loading. Now when it's loading, you find this download button right here to the left. Click on the download button and you have it quick. After a few seconds, you begin to download. So when it shows downloading, you just see a couple of seconds. Just be patient and bam, your app is downloaded. The installation process is automatic. Just be patient for it to install. You take a couple of seconds and you have your app right here ready to launch. So clicking on open app will get the app open, or you could access it in your app library. That's it for this tutorial. If you had value from here, subscribe to the channel to encourage us. Hit that like button. Drop a comment on whatever experience you had with the app and any questions you have so far. I'll see you in the next video and I'm excited. Keep on coming to the channel.